Hi, this is Lindsay, Digital Learning Specialist at the LD Batchelder School here in North Reading, and we are very excited for this year's STEAM Week. To celebrate, students in grades 4 and 5 will be designing their own Rube Goldberg machines. If you haven't seen a Rube Goldberg machine, here's an example that students will be watching. Starting in kindergarten, students regularly visit our makerspace called the Imagination Studio, where they get the opportunity to complete design challenges with a partner that help them build creativity and problem-solving skills. Here is an example of the engineering design process. So we ask students first to understand the problem and then come up with ideas with their partner. And then once they've come up with their idea, that's when they make a plan together, and then they make their first prototype, and then we have them test it. And then with feedback from peers and teachers, they try to improve their design, and then they share it with their class. When making their Rube Goldberg machines, students will be using the design skills that they have developed over the years in the makerspace. As you can see from this slide, students will also be meeting the state standards. So you can see the first one is from the science standards, and it's a technology and engineering strand. And you can see that this project will fit very well because the standard here reads, plan and carry out tests of one or more design features of a given model or prototype in which variables are controlled and failure points are considered to identify which features need to be improved. And that will definitely be happening. So students will be creating their Rube Goldberg machine at home, and they will be constantly testing it and then tweaking it to make it better and to try to get it to actually work. The second strand here, this is from the digital literacy and computer science standards, and the students will be sharing their machines using digital tools, so that will meet this area of the standards as well. Students will be using a website called Wonderopolis in order to learn more about Rube Goldberg machines before they start their design. This is an excellent website for elementary students to check out. Anything that they're curious about or wonder about, they can find out more information. So students are given some ideas for their Rube Goldberg machine. So here are some examples that they could make. And then once they're done with their machine at home, they will use an app called Seesaw that we use a lot, and that app allows them to video right within the app on their Chromebooks. So they'll be able to make these videos and then share them with classmates so that they can receive feedback about their inventions. I can't wait to see the Rube Goldberg machines that our students make.